and with the help of that tag, there is a predefined task they are performing on it. Fine. But a developer has a more demand. They want to write down the custom tag. That means as per the custom specification, uh, as per the custom specification, customer specifications, the tags are developed. It may be developed by the developers and the presentation layer people, that is a GUI के लिए जो develop करते, they can use the tag as it is. You will surprised if the developer has written a tag for database के लिए additions करने के लिए, he has written a complete tag. वो tag information लिखेगा पूरा Java का programs, developer will write it down the program for the writing a database contents. Okay, and what the presentation layer GUI developer do, they simply use that tag and जैसे आपका HTML tag functions perform करता है उस type से it will execute the functions. For example, h1 tag in HTML will heading. Similar way, if the customer had customer tag developed, आपने develop किया कि you write a record into the database, so you simply use that tag and your data will be stored it into the database. It is as simple as that, right? So today we will see how to write down these custom tags. Fine. So just कैसे लिखा जाता है, what is the steps, how to write it, that I'm going to give you the demo and we will try to write down the all the different custom tag, and then we will move on standardized JSPL library ki how these custom tags are used into the JSPL library. Fine. So what is a custom tag? Custom tag is nothing but we can say it's a user defined tag. They eliminate all possibility of the scriptlet tag. Okay, all the possibility of the scriptlet tags. Developers, or you can say there is a Java class which is already which developer has written. Okay, and that functionality, business functionality, will be implemented by your custom tag. Fine. So it is the custom tags are the user defined tags. They are eliminating possibility of scriptlet tag and separating the business logic from the JSP pages. Okay, the custom tag is a user defined JSP language. When the JSP page contain the custom tag, then by using the tag handler, you can write it. Just slide it discussions about the custom tag. The summary of these slides is nothing but what? It's a user defined tag. Okay. What is the purpose of custom tag? It will try to eliminate all the scriptlet tags which are available, and it will do the separation of your business logic and your presentation logic. Fine. That is the summary of these slides. I will upload it. You can read it out afterwards. Right. How they do it, that we are going to see it today. Fine. Now, why you are required the custom tag? It again a self-explanatory slide. The same thing which we have discussed. It eliminates the need of the scriptlet tag. Right. The second is the second custom tag. For purpose of the custom tag, separation of business logic from the JSP pages. Third, you can say the advantage of custom tag or why we are using custom tag. The first one is, the third is called the reusability. Okay, that is a basic principle of any development, any programming language. Reusability is nothing but a custom tag make a possibility of reuse the same business logic again and again, right? For example, we have written a business logic for adding a record into the database. The tag is written, okay? Just आपका जो HTML tag रहता है ना, similarly you have written a tag and you simply said add database is a tag name, and you can use that same tag name into the different applications. So it perform the similar type of functionality. It will add the record into your database. Fine. So that is one of the important function of it, reusability. Next, they are using for the readability point of view. Okay. It make a page cleaner, shorter and readable. by removing the complex Java logic from the presentation layer. The next is called as a maintainability, as it's a very clear logic is involved. So मतलब हर एक tag का functionality के हिसाब से you have written a Java class. So naturally maintainability is very easy, because if I for example, जैसे आप मैंने अभी बोला कि आपका database केस में रहेगा कि just add the record into the database, that is one custom tag. Reading a data from the मतलब from some devices, that may be another business, another Java class rahega. Some other functions, printing a data into the data in a output, that is maybe another third Java program or Java class is available. So we are having three different business logic. They have written on the three different business class, and three custom tags are defined to perform this business logic. फाइन, तीनों अलग अलग फंक्शनलिटी है, अलग अलग क्लास लिखे जाते हैं. सो नाउ इफ आई डू सम चेंजेस इनटू द वन जावा क्लास, इट विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड इनटू द अनदर जावा क्लास. Why? Because they have written a separate business. They have written a separate business logic, right? They are not at all be dependent. So naturally, maintainability is very easy, right? और सबका अलग अलग लिखा हुआ जाता है. So portability is there. You can move a code from one end to the another end very nicely. Okay, it is not dependent on specific JSP container. Okay, irrespective of the container, you are writing your JSP logic. Fine. So as we know, it's important of इतना सब कुछ important है जो custom tag लिखने के लिए. Then how to write it? What is the process of writing the custom tag? How to do it? These are the three important steps involved into the custom tag writing. Please note it down on your notebook और ध्यान में रखो, क्योंकि अभी इसी के तीनों के ऊपर ही हमको काम करना है. The first one, you have to write down the tag handler class. Second is called as a create the TLD file, and third is called as a tag leaf file, right? These are the three important steps involved while writing the custom tag. The first one, tag handler class. Okay, it's a Java class. We specify in this tag handler class में हम क्या specify करते हैं? We specify what our custom tag will do. Okay, what exactly my custom tag will be do. For example, मैंने अभी आपको बोला था, if I am written a custom tag for the database writing, for adding a record into the database, that how to do it, that additions that you have to specify into the tag handler class, right? It is a moreover you can say this is a job of a developers. यहाँ पे आप सबका JDBC connectivity will be there, then you can you perform the JDBC connectivity, you retrieve the result set, कैसे handle होगा, कैसे data store होगा. All these logics you are supposed to write it down into the tag handler class. Fine. Now the second step is called as a tag TLD files, right? What exactly it is? ये जो आप class लिखोगे, it is a user defined class, right? So everyone will be written their own class name. My class name may be differ, some other person का class name अलग होगा, some XYZ person they are having a different tag name. So how come my program, how come my JSP know कि कौन सा task क्या काम कर रहा है? So to define that task, you have to create a TLD file which describe which tag performing what task. Okay, and to execute that tag, what type of attribute you will be required to execute that process, right? And once you define the tag library, then you have to call these custom tag into your JSP page. Okay, you have to call this custom tag into your JSP page, and you can call it by using the taglib directive. You can call the tag information into the taglib directory. Fine. Okay, just read this slide again, then I will move on again. So these are very important three steps are involved while developing your custom tag. right? Fine. So let's start writing a tag handler class, right? कैसे tag handler class लिखा जाएगा? So a tag handler class is either what I can say, आपका कौन सा क्लास उसको एक्सटेंड करेगा, which base class you can extend by using the tag handler class, that is called as a from java servlet.jsp.target target xt package is there. With the help of this package, you can write down the tag handler class. With the help of this package, you can write down the tag handler class. Okay, a tag handler class is a two types. मतलब they can write by using two types. One is called as a classic tag handler class. Another one is called as a simple tag handler class. Fine. Okay, just read the slide again. A tag handler class in the is a Java class where the custom tag we can define exactly what task my custom tag is supposed to do, that we have defined under your tag handler class. The JSP container invoke the tag handler object to evaluate the custom tag during the execution of your JSP page. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे read it very carefully. The JSP container invoke the tag handler object to evaluate your custom tag during the execution of your JSP page, right? जब आपका पेज एग्जीक्यूट होगा उस समय आपका JSP container will refer your tag handler class and it get evaluated. We can define the tag handler or custom tag either by implementing an interface or it is extending the abstract class. Okay, either by implementing interface or either by extending the abstract class. So ये दो टाइप के इंटरफेस है. Either you can implement it by using the interface or you can extend the abstract class. Implementing one of the three interfaces, you can implement it by using simple tag interface or body tag interface. Okay, this method defines invoke during the life cycle of your tag handler class. Or either you do it like this way or another way, you extend the base class. You extend the base class that implements simple tag or body tag interface, right? Please recollect the basic information about the interface implementation. Inheritance याद करो. Inheritance याद होने के बाद we have defined we learn about the core Java में हमने interface define किए थे. Okay, and how to interface are implemented, उस conceptual उसको याद करो. Fine. Okay. How interface are implemented? By extending your base class. Similar logic यहाँ हम tag handler class कौन से interface से implement हो रहा है? Three type of interface. Either you can implement it by using simple tag, either you can implement it by using the tag interface, or you can implement it by using the body tag interface. Fine. और यदि ऐसे नहीं करना है तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज व्हाट, यू एक्सटेंड द abstract class and that abstract class will implement your simple tag or body tag interface. Fine. So we can define the tag handler or custom tag either by implementing interface or by extending an abstract base class. कहाँ से abstract base class हो रहा है? Which is the package is involved, that is a JavaX servlet.jsp.targetx package. Agree? And there are two type of defined tag handler, simple tag handler and classical tag handler. The classical tag handler are based on original tag development methodology, which is used if the scriptlet elements are required in the attribute value pair or tag body. And simple tag handler is used to evaluate the custom tag that do not have any scriptlet element in the attribute value or tag body element. We will try to implement it first by using a simple tag handler. फाइन, TLD फाइल में आपको बाद में बता देती हूँ. First we will implement it, right? Let's see. Go to your program. Is it clear? अभी तक क्या कर रहे हो? Is it clear everyone? Just मुझे chat box में लिखो. Have you understood कि how we are implementing how we are designing the custom tag? Is it clear to you? Please write it down in the chat box. If not, I will explain it because these 3 steps are very important while you are developing your custom tag. Okay, if you have any doubt, please tell me.
मैम कोड देख के थोड़ा बेटर समझ आ जाए.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी बेसिक कंसेप्चुअल क्या क्या समझ में आया है? स्वरांगी, आर यू देयर? सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व? कि सो रहे हो आप लोग काफी? प्लीज वेक अप एवरीवन. हाँ,
I did not get a few points actually. The steps just once more.
three steps and we are moving on step by step. So first step is we are defining the Java class, right? हमको class define करना है, मतलब जो custom tag executing the business logic that I need to define it, that I need to write it down, right? How you will write it down? You will write it down by using the Java class. Agree? लेकिन ये Java class कैसे लिखा जाएगा? It's not like a normal Java class. It is written by extending the interface, simple tag interface. आपके पास you are already have a tag package and under that package servlet.tagx package is available. Under that we are having one interface that is simple tag interface, body tag interface और simple tag interface. ये तीनों interface में से एक किसी interface को लो, उसको आप implement करो. This is one way. Another way you are extend. Yes.
It's like extends to like custom whatever custom tag we are making. That is
Correct. Okay. Fine. ठीक है. So I'm just concentrating only the first steps. So let's start. How to do it? Fine. So how you will do it? Create a package. Please simultaneously मेरे साथ काम किया तो अच्छा रहेगा. Okay. Please open your NetBeans. Open your NetBeans. Create a package. Done. Are you ready to work with me? और shall I show you only the code? लेकिन सिर्फ कोड दिखाने के बाद भूल जाओगे, इसके लिए साइमल्टेनियसली टास्क करो. Open your NetBeans and create the package, create the project. Fine.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Once you have created a project, so you will get here मैंने custom tag करके project create किया है. आप लोग project create करो. Done. Project create हो गया सबका?
Yes ma'am.
Then next what you have to do? In the source package, you have to write down the tag handler class. In the source package, you have to write down the tag handler class. So under source package, create first one folder. Create one folder. Okay, any one that you can give. Create a folder and here यहाँ पे tag one में करके मैंने source code में one folder or one package that you can create. So we are created here, let's say for example tag one नाम का मैंने folder create किया है, right? Under tag one folder, write it down. Under tag one folder, tags, don't give a tags वगैरह name मत दो. Standardized name, don't give the tag name. Tag one, tag two ऐसे करके दो because tags are the keywords. So create the package folder के अलावा you can say it as a package. So I can say tag 2 is a package where you have created. Under tag 2 you have to write down, you have to create a new Java class. Okay, new Java class. any class name whichever you want, you can give it, right? So let's say this is जो आपको ये कस्टम टैग करके कॉल होने वाला है, ये उसका आपका ओके. सो राइट डाउन एनी नेम, व्हाट आर द इंफॉर्मेशन यू वांट, राइट इट डाउन. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल L1 नाम का मैंने क्लास डिफाइन किया है, राइट? ओके, दिस सो दिस अंडर पैकेज टैग 1 आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ क्लास लाइक अ L1, राइट? अब मुझे यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ओनली व्हाट आई वांट टू create I want to create my custom tag, right? I want to create my custom tag. क्या हो गया, एक सेकेंड ना. Okay, so I want to create my custom tag. एक सेकेंड ना.